What up? What up? What up? How you guys doing? This is Anders Okela. First Word Changes. Today we're having a Nasdaq analysis. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So we're having a Nasdaq analysis for the upcoming weekend. Not weekend. Upcoming week. Why did I say weekend? Why did I say weekend? So I hope in Grandy. Make sure you click the like button. Click the like button right now. Subscribe. Look at the subscribe button. You can see the color changing. So subscribe. Why you haven't subscribed while you're watching our content? Subscribe right now. Subscribe and click the like button, and let's get this video to 100 likes. Click the like button. Subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. So let's do analysis in us. What is going to happen next? So guys, we can all agree on one thing on Nasdaq right now, that is on a bullish trend. So it's going up. You can see here by just looking at this. Okay, let's look at this. This is started here. Let me just use yellow because I like yellow. Yellow is more clean. So you can see it hit this base rally, this base candle, and by just looking at the daily time frame, you can see that this has been moving from this trend. So all this distance has been moving up. Basically the entire week it's been moving up. So if you got it here, this Quasimodo was the first Quasimodo that pushed it up. I think you would have been driving a Rolls Royce if you got it here. So this was the shoulder here, and this was the head. So it tested, it went up until now. So we on an up move. So basically we're on an uptrend. Or speaking of Nasdaq. So we're gonna get selling opportunities. They're not gonna be strong as buying opportunities. That's the law of an uptrend. So the best way to go is to go for buying opportunities because they have the highest probability of actually winning. Do you understand me? They have the most probability of actually winning. So let's go and analyze. As we all know, we're on an uptrend. Let's go and analyze. So let me just zoom it in for you. So okay, let's go for OR because it looked much better. Let me delete it here. Okay. So there have been Quasimodo that word here, and I buy, like I said, buying opportunities are most likely to do. So you can see here there was a Quasimodo here of buy. So there's been a shoulder here, and then there's been a head, and then it tested the shoulder and went straight up. Okay, so on Nasdaq, guys, we don't just look at Quasimodo only. We look at the overall price, what the price has been doing. We look at so many things, not just the Quasimodo. I've spoken in the previous video that we don't just look at one price action, we look at the whole price action in order for us to be on the safe side. So this was what I saw here going up. You can see here going up by just drawing a vertical trend line here. You can see, okay, this has actually been moving up by just looking at this trend line going up. Zoom it in a bit. This has been going up here, and then what I saw was this nice support at this point. So you can see this support was very, very significant, and we actually got this support on our previous trend. So this support was very significant here. So we got this buy by moving up on our previous video. If you're still new, just go to our previous video. You're gonna see the buy before it even happened. We got this buy, and this trend line was actually having it. So you can see here there was basically a triangle here that this Quasimodo wanted to broke. So it broke in this trend line, and then it went straight up. So there's a setup that I actually posted on the group. If you remember, if you're in the group, just 100 Rand on the group and you answered. That's simple. So there was this setup I actually saw probably I'll see it on a more like that. This was the setup I saw. Okay, let me go on 15 minutes. So this was the setup that I saw basically. You can see the price actually moving down here. This movement down, and then it created a small bearish flag. And what happened is, when it created the small bearish flag, the price decided to close underneath, below this bearish flag. So I saw a nice scalping for a sell. I thought that the price was gonna go down and then decide to actually at some point at there and then decide to go up, because it says closing below the flag. Obviously the flag has broken, so it even created two candles just below the flag. This bearish flag, this flag here, this bearish flag, and then it closed below the bearish flag. So I thought that, okay, since it has closed below, let me just scalp a bit. And then I went for a sell, and then it decided to re-enter the channel. You can see it re-entered the channel. And then when it re-entered the channel, I was already out because of the volatility of Nasdaq. So I was already out when it entered the channel, and now it's going between the channel. But if you go to the higher time frame, it's telling you a very different story. This is what it's telling you on the higher time frame. So this is what it's telling you on the high. If you look here, this is a whole complete ball game. Because if you can look, by breaking here, and actually I'm gonna draw another channel at this point. This channel is way different than the channel I saw on the lower time frame. So you can see, let me just delete so you can see properly. Let me delete these all. So you can see that this is way different than the other stuff that I was seeing on the lower time frame. So this has shown me another flag. This is a different flag. It's not a sell flag, but it's a buy flag now. So the setup that I posted on the group is now invalid because of what I'm seeing on the H4 right now. So we obviously have a bearish flag. So on a bearish flag, what I'm looking for is for the price to just close above this vertical trend line. So I'm waiting for the price to actually goes above this vertical trend line, and once it closes just here, let me just highlight it for you. Once it goes above here, this point, then I'm gonna go for a buy, knowing that the price will go up for the continuation pattern of the buy. So the setup that I posted on the group is not good. It might work, but it's not good. It's not a very good setup because of now it has given me a bearish flag. This is a bearish flag. So what I'm waiting for is for the price to actually just come at this level. Just ignore this quasi-mod because it's not gonna work, because this is a flag. Bearish flag. A bearish flag going here. You see, this is a bearish flag. A flag basically is when the price is moving on a certain direction, and then it's loses a certain momentum, and then it consolidates a bit, and then it continues going up. This is exactly what is happening here. The price is going up after breaking this vertical trend line, this triangle, and then now it's consolidating the price, and it's going to continue going up for a buy. So I'm just waiting for the price to actually break this level and then continue for a buy. This is going to be a very nice setup for a buy. So we're going to recover our previous loss. So I'm just waiting for it to actually buy here. Once the price decides to go above this level, then this is a buy. So if, let me just this level, so your stop loss have to be here. So what I'm waiting for is the price to just play at this point, then I'm gonna go for a buy, and then I'm gonna chop the market. This is a very nice analysis. So make sure you click the like button and you subscribe, and tell me what you think of this Nasdaq analysis as a continuation pattern. On the other one I was wrong, and I admit it. as much as I was wrong, but I was just looking for. Even on the group, I told them that this was a small scalp, but it's decided to tell me something else. The entire thing is just different now. Very, very, very different. So make sure you subscribe and you like the video. This is gonna be a very nice setup.